Okay, well, Jenny wasn't
You
here.
will not believe what we've done. Or not what I've done, what Noah has done. Ta-da!
Well, and the guys. But yes, I did this. I took this. Well, you guys will see this. You'll see this amazing.
So I had to
construction.
do some work at our rental house, administrative duties. So Noah comes back last night and he said, I took off the whole ceiling. Not only did he take off the whole ceiling, as you see, there's insulation there already, which will, of course, be stripped out because they're going to replace it with new insulation. And the outside, lots of work done on the outside too.
Lots of work. Let's go check it out.
Let me tell you something. These Frenchies work fast and they work hard.
They do. We're very lucky. We got a good crew.
It's been what, 3 days?
Yeah.
This is our third work day. And we already have this all stripped off. That's all done. Why don't you talk about that? 'Cause
Okay.
you're more,
Apt.
yes.
Yeah. So we took out this whole corner, and one whole beam is gone, and we're going to replace that with a concrete beam, and then a beam over here, which is going to be concrete as well. We were worried about this being rotten on this other beam, but it turned out only half the beam was rotten.
Let me see.
So we were able to save it,
Oh, good. So in this,
because that would have had to have been all concrete, or get a new beam, which would have been a whole problem.
we're keeping that beam?
We're keeping it because it's only rotten to this little outside exterior. The interior is actually fine.
I
So-
thought the exterior beams were being replaced by concrete.
Well, there was another beam here. See, look.
Oh.
So we've taken that out, and now we're going to replace that today with a concrete beam.
So the wood's coming out.
The wood has already come out. This is the second beam. This is the beam that's inside the house.
Oh, I see.
There was another beam on the outside of the house.
Okay.
Say good morning to
Je
Manu.
comprends. Je comprends.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, ça va bien?
Ça va bien? Et vous?
Ça va, merci.
So this is a full-on construction site. After 3 days, we have the ceiling off. We have some of the exterior off. We have the roof almost all done.
Let me go show you the VMC so you can see how quiet it is.
Also, we did the ventilation in the bathrooms so we could have it, what is it? It vents out the humidity and,
All the moisture,
yeah.
so we don't get the mold.
Can you tell how well versed I am in all of these technical terms?
It's on.
Oh yeah, I could feel it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you don't even hear it. It's dead quiet.
Amazing. I still can't believe the previous owner didn't do this.
I know.
It's such a, I was telling Noah, it's such a simple fix, little things. Like I understand not wanting to refresh it for cosmetic reasons, but simple things like a water softener, the VMC, those are essentials.
Now the thing about this is, what I'm realizing is because it's always on,
Right?
the vent is always operating.
Okay.
We really don't need these ugly covers on there because all they're doing is just closing the vent and opening the vent when there's humidity.
Yeah, these are, I saw these, I was like,
I know, but it's nice.
can't you put something else over it?
We can put any kind of grate we find, we can put over it. It's just, it's on all the time. This doesn't allow it to be on all the time. This closes it when there's no humidity.
We'll do some research on that because this is hideous.
But I really do believe we could just get some nice metal classic old grates that we find at the stores and put that over.
What do the French always say? My
What?
favorite phrase, on verra bien.
That's right, we
We'll
will
see.
see.
Amandine en fait partie.
Et voilà mon ami Guignol.
Enchantée. Regardez.
Oh, c'est mon
Jolie Amandine aux amandes.
Fête maison,
Oui.
homemade. Guignol's husband makes everything here. It's always the best. And her husband makes all the specialties. And the quiche Laurent. Do you see it? All right, time to eat.
Well, we wrapped up another day here, and you can see the guys took off the covers for the windows, the things that came down, they're gone. And we're getting ready to take off this part of the roof and put the beam in. You can see that they stripped that out and they put up the wood framing, and now we have a nice new beam in there. Let's go up on top and see if we can see it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's drying just right in there. And we're gonna have a nice concrete beam. It's all coming along, everybody. Very excited.
Another exciting day.
You're kind of in the shadow here.
Oh, am I?
Because as a director, I know you always give me a hard time about my filming
Well, we'll
abilities.
see. So the kitchen is, not the kitchen, but the dinette area is pretty much coming down now.
The Nidette?
The dinette. All the windows. Manu just asked us if we want to keep any of the windows, the doors, and we said no, in the poubelle, in the garbage.
That's right, we're getting some new ones.
He's going to cut it all. Coupe, oui, coupe. Get rid of everything. Pretty soon, we're not going to have any windows. Pas la fenêtre. He's coming in with the big saw.
It's going down.
No mask, no protection, no nothing. Manu does the real mason work. Supervising, that's what I'm doing. I'm supervising all of the men doing their work.
Oh, good.
Oh. Oh, it's coming down, coming down.
Kind of like that person said online. It's because they used the plaster and they should have just painted the concrete. It's all wet.
Oh, it's all wet?
Well, it's a shower, but yeah,
Yeah.
it's all got that moisture, yeah.
Yeah, to everyone commenting, of course we're going to move the washing machine. We're not going to just put tile around it. Everything is coming out in this bathroom. Everything's coming out in the whole house.
But you can see that we got a problem with moisture in here. Look at this.
Is that a tree growing in there?
Looks like it. Yeah.
Oh my.
This is our home.
Everything is being boarded up now. That's going up because now they're going to be putting up this concrete beam instead of the wood beam up there. This is day 4 of the work, so we got all of that done. And Manu over here did, oh look, it's all finished. He did the whole concrete beam up there. And again, then after that, that's when we are going to have Teddy come and resurface the whole facade in stone.
The roof looks really, really good. Let's take a look here. It looks excellent. Beautiful color. I love the color. My only issue is this final row. So as you can see, you walk down this walkway, and this corner of the house is what you always see when you walk down this corner of the house. Now my issue is, and I knew they told me this, that this part was going to be smaller. So I knew that was going to happen. The problem was the way they cut it. I didn't realize, if you look down that line, it's very uneven. I didn't realize here in France, they don't have a way to put a guide up here and take a saw, like a skill saw with a stone cutting blade, and cut this straight. So they have to cut each individual one with a grinder, and you get all this chipping. See those edges? They look horrible. So I talked to the roofer and I explained to him, I said, this just doesn't work. I'm sorry. I mean, this is the one spot on the house that everyone is going to look at. And we've just got this uneven line. They said tomorrow they're going to snap a line and they're going to cut it again. Just take a little tiny bit off and cut it again, and they said that they'll get it straight. Yes, before you say it, yes, I would love to see them cut it back here and slide it up, but these things are worked, the way they're designed is inside of there, there's a barrier that creates for moisture and rain, and you need that barrier. I also was surprised to find out that you couldn't order tiles here in France that are just different sizes and length. Nope, they'll sell you different widths, but they will not sell you different lengths. So just the difference here from America to France is just mind-boggling sometimes. So let's hope that tomorrow brings a little solution to this problem. But beyond that, I'm really happy with the way the roof looks. I think we're going to have a beautiful home when we're done. So until tomorrow, a bientôt.